Hello everyone. From today onwards, we'll be completing a crash course for machine learning, and this course is provided by Google. So if you are interested in learning machine learning, then you should opt for this course, guys. And if you are in BTech, then I'll definitely recommend you to opt for this course, because if you will attach the link of your profile with these kind of batches, then the chances of shortlisting gets increased, guys. So if you are interested, you should opt for this course, guys. And it's a kind of virtual internship provided by smart interns. You can opt for that also, and if you opt for that, then they are gonna provide you this course only. You have to complete. So if you have completed this course, directly provide the URL of your profile to them. They will be providing you the internship certificate, guys. But before that, you have to complete a assessment, guys. I will be providing the answers for the assessment also. No worries. From today onwards, we'll try to complete these course under Google, guys. If you are interested, please go and opt for this course, guys. I'll be providing the link of this course under description. You can go and check it out. Now we'll click on start crash course, and after that it will send us here. Now here, see, you have to read all these things, guys. If you want, you can read all these things. If you want to learn linear regression, click on here linear regression, and then it will show you what all things should be there under linear regression. You can come here, you can just learn it, and after completing these things, come to programming exercise, and under programming exercise, click on open linear regression exercise. After clicking on that, it will send us here. Now here you have to do one thing, click on this show code. See, guys, don't go for this 26. For me it's coming 26, guys. If you will run this one, for you guys it will come 1, guys. And after that, scroll down and see here, for you this will be 2. I'll just run it, and I will wait for a while. Now here, if it's completed, see here, it's completed. It has given the output. Now here, click on show code. If you want, you can click on show code. Otherwise, directly you can click on this run button. For me it's 38, guys, but for you guys it will be 3. Like that, you have to go serial wise. See, I'll click on this run button. Then we can see here, for me 39 it came, but for you guys this will be your 4th code. Now scroll down and click on this run button. Like this, you have to complete all these codes under this, guys. I don't want to waste your time, guys. That's why I'm not doing all these things. I'll directly jump into the quiz. You can come here, you just click on this run button, and serially you can click on this run button. After completing all this, I have already done it. See, guys, for me this was 22, but for you guys the number will vary. Now after completing this, come here and now click on test your knowledge. After clicking on test your knowledge, click on open quiz. After clicking, it will send us here, guys. You can see the correct answer for the first question is weight, and the correct answer for the second question is 4. Here you have to type 4. Some are MCQ, some are fill in the blanks, guys. So here third one will be 0.8, and then fourth one will be learning rate, and the fifth one will be the learning rate is too small. Then click on submit answer. After clicking on submit answer, we'll wait for a while, and see, we have completed all these quizzes. And here, if you are getting create a profile, then click on that, and after that you have to create your profile, guys. See here, and after clicking that, here your profile will be mentioned. You can click here and it will take you to your profile. And we have completed the first batch, guys. So here the first batch will be shown here, machine learning crash course linear regression. We have completed linear regression. Like that, we have to complete these challenges, guys. We'll meet in the next video, guys. We'll complete the test your knowledge under logistic regression, guys. Until that, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys, and don't forget to opt for this course, guys. It will help you in your placement, guys. And if you want these kind of content, you can go to my channel and you can find these kind of content, guys, which will help you in your placement journey, guys. So do follow and like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will help me a lot. Thank you for watching, guys.